So, as you may have noticed, we've been without a magazine carrier for sale for several months. We've been developing something new based on the design language from our new skeleton holster and Flatpack tourniquet carrier, and I'd like to take some time right now to tell you about that. Here's the previous one, which you're familiar with. It's the we were making these with a vacuum former and a CNC router, and they start life as something similar to this, a flat piece which is molded and you know, with the router cuts and drills all the holes, and then we need to fit and finish it and put all the rivets and the hardware in it. So this guy was $48 when we were making them, and I'll tell you why. Because it needs to be riveted, folded, sanded, the hardware needs to be installed, and it comes with this much hardware. All of these things go into this magazine carrier. This is 6 rivets, 2 bushings, 4 3/8 posts, 4 5/8 screws, a spacer, a strut, and the loop and the hardware for all of that strut. That's more than what went into a holster. So, of course, delivering all of this at a price that even we're happy with was a serious challenge. And using the design efficiency and the process efficiency that we've created with the skeleton holster and our new Flatpack carrier, we've been able to do that. So this guy was a lot of work for what it delivered. And of course, it's hard to justify that cost in a magazine carrier. So what we decided to do was make something a lot easier and a lot simpler using our other products as inspiration. So, like the skeleton holster, the new magazine carrier is a 2-piece design. A front and a back face, they're symmetrical and ambidextrous. They feature dimples for registering the pieces together such that there's the side play and the shifting is mitigated and it maintains its shape. And then we lace it up with a piece of shock cord like the Flatpack tourniquet carrier and put a single loop on it. Now, compared to the old version, this is much more efficient. It also retains its universality. That's a Glock magazine. You can put a M&P magazine in it, rounds facing forward, rounds facing rearward. If you'd like it to be tighter, you just need to give the loop of cord a little twist, and the carrier becomes more snug. So it'll fit Glock and M&P mags and other magazines that are the same size as this. It comes with extra mounting holes on it, such that if you so chose, you could equip it to a pocket shield or add a strut to it. We didn't just take a hatchet to the price and the complexity on this design. We took a lightsaber to it. This guy, this old system, was $48. The new magazine carrier, which is slimmer, more ergonomic, more versatile, and simpler to produce, making it a superior design. It's more minimalist, fits in better with what we're doing with all of our other products. We're able to make them faster and keep them in stock, and we are able to reduce the price by 50%. Our dealer, snakehoundmachine.com, is going to have these available for $24. These were $48. That's a 50% reduction in price. And what that gets you is the ability to purchase a magazine carrier, a Flatpack tourniquet carrier, and a skeleton holster, shipped to you for less than $100. And if that's not a great deal, I don't know what is. Well, I'm really pleased with these guys. They took a lot of development. It was a lot of work to get these just right and to be happy with them. You know, it's a big technological step, and I don't think anybody's doing them quite like this. There are some other shock cord magazine carriers, but this 2-piece design is unique in its simplicity and with this dimpling registration feature for the 2 halves. You can carry rounds forward, rounds rearward, with the loop on either side depending on where you want this feature in relationship to your body. And it's slim and it's comfortable. It doesn't have the same hot spots that this one did with the protrusion here like that. It's auto adjusting. You don't need to twiddle any of the screws. It's got a height adjustment here for the loop, or if you want, it also lines up with the other hole in the loop, so you can counter screw this so the loop doesn't rotate. I mean, we've included a lot of features in this magazine carrier for just 24 bucks. It's original, it's unique, it works great, it's comfortable, and it's $24. I mean, I'm really happy with this lineup, and I hope you guys are too. These are on sale now at snakehoundmachine.com and through our other dealers. So hit up the front page of PHLster.com, follow the link to our dealers, and get yourself the complete set.